Hello Legacy Sabers, Marsh here. So today we're going to solve rational equations. This is day one when we have just two fractions equal to one another. You're going to want your notes, pen or a pencil, and then a calculator to do some simple math. So objective today, we're going to learn how to solve rational expressions with two fractions. You've done these problems before, and you're going to feel like you have done them before because you've done them since Algebra 1. However, when you have two fractions that are equal to one another, you can cross multiply to solve, which you have done before. So I'm going to multiply, if I get my pen here, I'm going to multiply these guys together, so that's 3x plus 6. Multiply these guys together, which can give me a 9x. Then, solving for x, I'm going to get 6 equals 6x, so I'm going to get x equals 1. Okay? So looking further, I do need to check my answer. I need to plug it in. If sometimes math pulls these gotcha moments in which we get an extraneous solution, that means it's a solution, however, it didn't work in the original problem. So I'm going to plug 1 in. So I got 3 over 1. So 3 equals 9 over 1 plus 2, 3. Well, this simplifies down to 3 as well. So I got 3 equals 3. It checks out. So I'm going to put a big giant check so I know, so Marsh knows that I actually checked my work, right? Let's try another example. So just like last time, I'm going to cross multiply. So multiply, multiply. So 6x plus 12 equals. Well, this is, I gotta FOIL those, so I'm going to put this guy up here so I actually can see them together. So x times x is x squared. X times 2 is 2x. Negative 3 times x is negative 3x. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. Okay, so let's continue here. I'm going to simplify over here. It's negative x minus 6. I'm going to move everybody to the right-hand side. That's negative 7x minus 18. Well, this hopefully factors, right? Because otherwise we can't solve it, or I'm going to have to quadratic formula, and I don't want to do that. Well, an x and an x makes an x squared, right? Negative 18, two numbers that multiply to give me that. 9 and 2. Negative 9 and a positive 2. So if I multiply, that'll get negative 7x, positive 2x, so I get that negative 7x. So I'm actually getting two answers here. I'm getting x equals 9 and x equals negative 2. So I need to check both of these problems. So I'm going to get 3 over 11, right, is, so I'm going to make a little note of that, 6 over 18 plus 4, 22. Those definitely check out, right? So 9 works. Checking negative 2, 3. Oh, no. I get negative 2 plus 2. I get 0 on the bottom. I can't divide by 0. Only Chuck Norris can divide by 0. So that is not an answer. That would be an extraneous solution. Okay? That's what that is called. It means you got an answer. However, if you plug into the original problem, it does not work. Okay, so keep that one in mind. You always have to check. Last example of the video. So we're going to cross multiply. Lost my pen there. Cross multiply. So 4x plus 20. Ooh, I'm going to cross multiply. These are binomials, so I am going to put this guy above there so I can do that. X squared minus x plus x minus 1. Ooh, that cancels off. That's nice. 4x plus 20 equals x squared minus 1. So let's get everybody to the right-hand side. 4x minus 21. Ooh. It's x. 7 and 3 will give me 21. Oh, a negative 7 and a positive 3. That will work, right? Because that's a negative 7x plus 3. That's a negative 4x. So I got two answers. X equals 7 and x equals negative 3. So plugging in, making sure I got the right answer. I got 4 over 8 if I'm plugging 7 in. 6 over 12, which is a half equals a half. So this one works. Let's check -3 now. So I get 4 over 2 equals -4 over -2. Ooh, +2? +2. -4 over +2. This should have been -2. There we go. So I'll get -2 equals -2. This one checks out after Marsh could not figure out her negatives. Alright, so this is something you've done before. It should be very, very simple. And with that, that's the end of this video. See you later, Sabers.